Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Food Cookban. It's easy, tasty Korean cooking channel. I'm Yejin. Today I brought a perfect recipe for Kimchi Jjigae. It's a kimchi stew with a tuna can. Usually the classic kimchi jjigae is made with pork, but when I want to have a meatless meal which is a bit lighter, I make this version. And kimchi stew with the tuna can is still very tasty, savory, and spicy delicious. You know what I mean, right? The most important ingredient in this recipe, of course, it's kimchi. We need a raw fermented, which is at least about a month-old one kimchi. If your kimchi is not fermented yet, maybe you can try this. Put 1 tablespoon of vinegar on the kimchi and wait about more than 10 minutes. This makes your kimchi taste pretty close to a month-old one, but a well-fermented one is much better for sure. Also for the tuna can, the best tuna can for kimchi jjigae is this yellowfin tuna can. This has the most close taste as a Korean brand of yellow tuna, I think. Of course, if you have a Korean brand one, that would be great. If you have these two ingredients, you almost have everything for this perfect tuna kimchi jjigae recipe. So, are you ready for this perfectly delicious kimchi jjigae? Let's get started. I always put all the ingredients and links on the description of the video, so please check it out, okay? On the pot, put 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and add 2 cups of kimchi and stir fry. I love this sound. When the kimchi's color becomes orangish, add tuna can with oil. Mix them all together well and stir. Now add 2 cups of water and then stir well. Keep boiling. This bubble sound makes me hungry. Now add half cup of juice from kimchi. In this way, we can have all these flavorful ingredients from kimchi. Keep boiling. And add 1 cup of green onions. Now add 1 pack of tofu and 1 chopped green pepper. We are almost done. Put half tablespoon of chili powder. You can even put 1 tablespoon if you like spicy. This is it. It looks so good. I put the kimchi jjigae to a dubegi, which keeps the heat better than other pots, so when I want to enjoy hot stew on the table, I always use this. If you have a dried seaweed at home, try with it. It's so good. Okay? Enjoy! See? It was very tasty, right? I think this is the perfect recipe for Kimchi Jjigae. Trust me, just try this and let me know what you think, okay? Thank you for watching my video today, and I will see you next time. Please hit the like button and subscribe me for the next video, okay? Thank you. Bye.